Backhoe financing explained. Backhoe financing can help contractors, farms, and municipalities get useful equipment without paying the full cost upfront. In Canada, lenders review the machine's year, hours, condition, attachment, serial number, seller details, the price, your down payment, and how the backhoe will help the business earn. If you already found the equipment, have a quote, or need funding soon, this matters. Here's the part buyers miss. A backhoe may be common and be useful, but approval can still slow down if the hours are high, the condition is unclear, or the seller paperwork is weak. The lender wants to trust both the borrower and the asset. Now the takeaway is simple. Show the lender the backhoe is real, fairly priced, and tied to clear business use. That means we also need a business story. And if you're looking for equipment financing or leasing in Canada, feel free to give us a call at 437-777-5901 or visit us at mehmigroup.com.